Hi, this is Kandinya. Over the weekend, I built something. I just wanted to share it with you because I think a lot of you are going to find this useful. I came out of a problem I kept running into personally. And once I saw it, I couldn't unsee it. So here is the thing. Whenever you go into a new Claude session, you lose the context. I mean, the context just doesn't move forward, right? The decisions you made, the architecture you designed, the next steps you planned, the things you specifically wanted to work on, none of that carries over. And look, there's been discussions about it. You can do different file structures, you can do leverage memory files, different project setups. The idea being that when you reopen the project, Claude understands where you are, but we don't really have a clear picture in terms of how we can leverage this Claude memory effectively. So every session you're starting over. You're re-explaining yourself, wasting time. I understand. We have built Claude MD files, we've built memory MD files, we've built a project structure which captures decisions, which captures your audit logs, which captures your issues in separate files. But the problem is the Claude have to read it individually when we point out a mistake, when we point out, have you read this file? Can you look at my audit logs that I've done some audit? Can you look at the issue that we have solved in the previous session? It has to go through that audit log and the issue log to figure out, okay, yes, there's been an issue. We have taken this decision that we want to move forward. So I sat over the weekend and I thought, I mean, there might be a better way to solve this. Right. So that's where I built something called Cortex. And what it basically does is it saves your persistent memory, decisions, context, preferences. It carries over across sessions, every project, every machine. That's the most important part. It's just not dedicated to one machine. You can leverage this for multi-machine memory sync. Again, it's available completely for free for all the subscribers of the production line. Let me walk you through what actually happens here. When you start a session, Cortex is running in the background, completely local, SQL-like database on your machine. No cloud, no APIs, nothing going anywhere. As you work with Claude Code, as you're making architectural decisions, writing code, hitting errors, Cortex is capturing all that context in the background. Decisions you have taken, preferences, error logs, it keeps learning. It keeps building up the knowledge layer. When you end the session and open a new one, Cortex automatically injects the context back in. Claude already knows your architecture, already knows what decisions you have made and why you have made those, already knows where you left off, and no re-explanation, no wasted time. You pick up exactly where you are. We've also built a complete dashboard that gives you full visibility into all of it. How many memories it has captured, how many files it is tracking, what projects you're working on, how many machines you're on, how much data you have stored locally. You can see everything. You control everything. And the best part, as I mentioned, it's not one system. Let's say you're working across two systems. You have Claude Code on both the systems with Cortex on both the systems, have the same memories available instantaneously. The Cortex syncs, your decisions travels with you. You're always working from one same foundation, no matter which machine you're working on. It installs under 60 seconds, one command. Whether it's Homebrew, NPX, curl, whichever one you use. The entire code base is public. It's all on GitHub. That is the tool for the community. Collaborate on it, improve it. And look, I want to be honest about what it is. It is helpful right now, and I think it'll be even relevant until Claude comes out with its own native memory model for working across multiple systems. It's available now, exclusive to subscribers of the production line. If you've already subscribed, thank you. If not, it's free. Go to deepproductionline.ai. Thank you.